Are you looking to transfer Outlook mails to Gmail? We've got you covered. But before beginning, make sure to complete these steps before starting your migration. Back up the PST file to recover easily if something goes wrong. Run scanpst.exe to check and fix any file corruption. Keep PST size under 20 GB to avoid slow or failed imports. Turn off antivirus/firewall temporarily to prevent Gmail connection issues. We'll show you 2 easy methods to import PST files to Gmail. First method is importing PST files to Gmail via Outlook itself and is divided into 2 simple steps. Step 1. Add Gmail in Outlook. Open Outlook. Go to File, Info, and select Add Account option. Enter your Gmail account credentials. Click Next. Outlook will auto-configure your account. Step 2. Import the PST file. Go to File, Open, and Export, and select Import/Export option. Select Import from another program or file. Choose Outlook data file and then click Next. Browse and select your PST file. Choose your Gmail account as the destination. Click Finish and let Outlook sync. And the second one is using G Suite Migration Tool. Download and install GO. Sign in with your Gmail account. Grant access when prompted. Upload your PST file via the Browse option. Choose what to migrate: mail, contacts, calendar, etc. Click Migrate and let the tool handle the rest. But wait, this method has some drawbacks. Requires Outlook installed on your system. PST files over 20 GB may slow down or fail to import. Free tools may not preserve the original layout. No help if something goes wrong during migration. Now let's go through the pro method to import a PST file to Gmail without using Outlook. If you don't want to go through the manual steps, here's an easier way. Use the RecoveryTools PST migration tool. Just visit the official RecoveryTools website and download the PST migration tool. Launch the software, and click Next to begin. Add your Outlook profile data using an automated option. Select the folders you want to export. Choose Gmail as saving format. Enable filter options if needed, like date range. Enter your Gmail account credentials. Click Convert to import your PST file to Gmail. Let's look at the advantages of using the PST migration tool. No Outlook installation required. Supports both free Gmail and Google Workspace accounts. Maintains original folder structure. Handles large PST files with ease. Apply filters for selected migration. And that's all for this video. Visit the given product link today to download the product. For any queries, email us at support@recoverytools.com.